Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 10 must-have cleaning gadgets that will completely transform your cleaning routine. Whether you're tired of scrubbing, fighting stubborn messes, or just want a faster and more efficient way to clean, these game-changing tools will make your life so much easier. Many of them are available at great prices, so check the links below. Let's jump in. Cleaning your chimney doesn't have to be a messy, difficult job. This rotary brush kit features 6 reinforced nylon rods that can extend up to 20 feet, allowing you to deep clean even the tallest chimneys with ease. The flexible design helps scrub away soot, creosote buildup, and dust, improving air quality and preventing dangerous chimney fires. Attach it to any power drill, and the rotating action does all the hard work for you. Whether you have a wood stove, fireplace, or chimney liner, this tool ensures a safe and efficient clean every time. Your home might look clean, but what about invisible germs, bacteria, and dust mites? This UV disinfection device uses powerful ultraviolet light to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and allergens on your mattress, furniture, kitchen counters, and more. Unlike harsh chemicals, this device sanitizes without residue, making it perfect for households with kids, pets, or allergy sufferers. With 4-speed settings, you can customize the cleaning intensity to suit different surfaces. Stay safe and breathe easier with this must-have home sanitizer. No more endless scrubbing. This high-powered steam cleaner does all the work for you. In just 20 seconds, it heats up and produces pressurized steam that melts away dirt, grease, and grime from kitchen appliances, bathroom tiles, upholstery, and even car interiors. It's chemical-free, making it a safe, eco-friendly choice for deep cleaning. The lightweight and portable design means you can easily reach tight corners, grout lines, and hard-to-clean areas. If you want a professional-level clean at home, this gadget is a must-have. Tired of pushing around a heavy, dripping mop? This electric spin mop takes the hassle out of floor cleaning. With high-speed rotating pads, it scrubs away dirt and grime effortlessly, leaving your floors spotless and shining. It features a built-in water sprayer for deep cleaning, an automatic cleaning bucket, and 4 reusable microfiber pads. Plus, the cordless and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Whether you have wood, tile, marble, or laminate flooring, this mop saves time and effort, giving you pro-level results every time. If you have pets, you know the struggle. Fur gets everywhere. Unlike standard lint rollers that waste tons of sticky paper, this reusable rubber brush uses static charge technology to lift embedded pet hair from carpets, couches, clothing, and car seats. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to hold, while the firm rubber bristles grab even the most stubborn pet fur. It even works as a bath brush to help reduce shedding before it happens. Say goodbye to fur-covered furniture and hello to a clean home. Brushing your pet can be a hairy nightmare, but not with this 6-in-1 pet grooming kit. It comes with clippers, a de-shedding brush, a nail grinder, and more, all while vacuuming up loose fur as you groom. The quiet motor ensures your pet stays calm and comfortable, and the strong suction means no messy cleanup afterward. Whether you have a long-haired dog, a fluffy cat, or a heavy shedder, this grooming tool keeps their coat clean and tangle-free while keeping your home fur-free. Hate bending over to sweep up crumbs? This touchless stationary vacuum is a game-changer. Just sweep dust, hair, and debris towards it, and its infrared sensors automatically suck it up in seconds. The 1,000-watt motor makes it ultra-powerful, instantly picking up dirt, pet hair, and food messes from your kitchen, hallway, or playroom. Unlike regular vacuums, it requires no bending, no lifting, and no bags. If you love an effortless clean, this is for you. A bulky, heavy mop bucket is a thing of the past. This collapsible cleaning bucket is lightweight, compact, and portable, making it easy to store and transport. The built-in wheels let you move it effortlessly, while the 12-liter capacity is perfect for mopping, car washing, or even camping trips. Its multi-purpose design means you can also use it as a laundry basket or an organizer for household items. When you're done, just fold it flat and store it in a small space. Your jewelry, glasses, and watches accumulate dirt and oils over time, making them lose their sparkle. This ultrasonic cleaner uses powerful sound wave technology to create millions of tiny bubbles that gently remove dirt and grime in just minutes. No scrubbing required. Just add water, press the button, and watch your valuables come out looking brand new. It's perfect for rings, earrings, coins, dentures, and even razor heads. A must-have for keeping your accessories sparkling clean. Nobody likes dealing with clogged drains, but this high-pressure air blaster makes the job quick and easy. Instead of using a traditional plunger, which can be messy and ineffective, this gadget builds up compressed air pressure and releases it with a powerful burst, clearing even the toughest clogs in toilets, sinks, and bathtubs. It's chemical-free, safe for pipes, and much more efficient than a regular plunger. A must-have for every household. And that's it for today's video. These genius cleaning gadgets can totally transform the way you clean, saving you time and effort while keeping your home spotless. Which one do you think is the most useful? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome finds, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cleaning!